In today's digital world, getting your website or content noticed can be a challenge. There's a lot of competition for that top spot on search engines, especially Google. One key to gaining visibility is ensuring your URLs are indexed properly and quickly. This is where the Rapid URL Indexer steps in. This tool promises a fast, affordable, and efficient solution for getting your content indexed on Google. What is the Rapid URL Indexer? Rapid URL Indexer is a tool designed to speed up the process of getting your website or URL indexed on Google. Normally, when you create a new web page or content, Google takes its time to find and index it. This could take days or even weeks. With Rapid URL Indexer, you don't have to wait as long. Why is indexing important? When a search engine like Google crawls a website, it reads through the content and then indexes it. This index data is what Google uses when people search for something. If your website isn't indexed, it won't show up in the search results. The faster your URL is indexed, the quicker you can be found by your target audience. How does Rapid URL Indexer work? Rapid URL Indexer makes the whole process of indexing faster and more streamlined. Here's a simple breakdown. Submit your URL. You start by submitting your URL to the Rapid URL Indexer tool. This could be a blog post, product page, or any content that you want to appear on Google. Fast indexing. Once submitted, the tool takes over and submits your URL for faster indexing. Normally, it could take weeks for Google to discover your page. With Rapid URL Indexer, this process speeds up considerably. Your URL can be indexed in just a few days or even hours. Affordable pricing. The tool offers affordable pricing. For example, you only pay for what you use. If your URL is not indexed within a certain time frame, you'll be refunded. This makes it a cost-effective solution compared to other methods that can be much more expensive. Who should use Rapid URL Indexer? The tool is versatile and can be used by anyone who wants to improve their SEO and online visibility. Here's a list of who will benefit most from using it. Bloggers and content creators. If you run a blog and frequently publish new content, you want your posts indexed fast. Delays in indexing can mean missed opportunities for traffic. Small business owners. Businesses with product pages or service listings need to ensure that these pages show up on Google. Rapid URL Indexer can help by getting your pages indexed quicker. SEO professionals. If you manage multiple websites or clients, this tool will make your work easier, instead of waiting for Google's slow indexing process. Conclusion. The Rapid URL Indexer is a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their website's visibility on Google. It's fast, affordable, and easy to use, making it a go-to solution for bloggers, businesses, SEO professionals, and affiliate marketers.